Healthcare UX is vital because nobody wants to navigate a medical system that's more confusing than a Rubik's Cube with a hangover. In a world where we can order a pizza with one click, why should we have to jump through hoops to schedule a doctor's appointment or understand our medical bills? Let's face it, healthcare is already stressful enough. We don't need the added burden of confusing user interfaces or outdated technology. A good healthcare UX can make a world of difference in reducing patient anxiety and improving outcomes. Plus, who wants to be the person who designs a medical app that causes patients to accidentally schedule a colonoscopy instead of a flu shot? Not me, and probably not you either. So, let's work together to create healthcare UX that's as smooth as a baby's bottom and as easy to use as a TV remote. Our health and sanity depend on it. Healthcare UX is difficult for several reasons. Complexity of the healthcare system. The healthcare system is complex, with many stakeholders involved, including doctors, nurses, patients, insurers, and regulatory bodies. This complexity makes it difficult to design a UX that satisfies everyone's needs. Importance of accuracy and safety. Healthcare is a critical domain where accuracy and safety are paramount. A mistake in healthcare can have severe consequences, so the UX must be designed with extreme care to ensure that it is accurate and safe. Wide range of users. Healthcare UX must cater to a wide range of users, from patients to medical professionals. These users have varying levels of technical knowledge and requirements, which can make it challenging to design a UX that meets everyone's needs. Privacy and security concerns. Healthcare data is highly sensitive and must be protected. UX designers must ensure that the healthcare systems they design are secure and comply with privacy regulations, which adds an additional layer of complexity. Legacy systems. Many healthcare organizations use legacy systems that are outdated and difficult to integrate with modern UX design principles. This can make it challenging to provide a seamless user experience across different systems and devices. Overall, healthcare UX is a challenging domain that requires a deep understanding of the healthcare system, user needs, and technical constraints to create a seamless and effective user experience.
Want to learn more? Subscribe for more Mind Shop lessons.